Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today let's take a look at two brand new farm animals, dogs and cats toys, okay? We will be adding them to this box. First one, we have a French Bulldog. It looks very cute. Let's get this out from the bag. Our Dan Safarian sent us this figure and it looks very nice. So we have a French Bulldog right here from Schleich. It looks very cute. We do have a couple of French Bulldogs in our collection. The next one, let's see what this is. Seems to be a huge cow. Let's get this out. And it's actually a Tyrolean gray cow. Looks very nice and is wearing like a little bell right here. Tyrolean gray. Very nice. This is my first ever Tyrolean gray cow. Never heard of this cow before. So now let's take a look at the rest. We have another cow right here. It could be a Holstein cow. And here we have a pig, and it is also known as a sow. Alright, very nice. Let's see what else we got. We have a chinchilla right over here. It's beautiful. Let's move on to the next one. We have a German Shepherd, and I think this is like a puppy. It's a very adorable puppy. And here we have a Siberian Husky. Very nice. Moving on, we have a Hampshire pig right here. And this, it's a Arctic hare. This is actually not a farm animal. This can be found in the Arctic snow. And here we have a sheep. Nice. Moving on, another female pig. And this, it's a poodle. A very young horse foal. And here we have another cow, a Guernsey cow. This is a very popular dairy cow. And here we have a donkey foal, a very young donkey. And this, it's a gray cat, a gray tabby cat. What is this? A brown hare. They're very fast. And this, it's a Shar-Pei. They're very well known for the crumpet skin. Super adorable. And here we have a rabbit. Nice rabbit. What is this? I think this is a Boston Terrier. A piglet right here. And here we have another cow. What is it? I think this could be a Holstein cow as well. We have a nanny goat. And this, it's a Labrador. Nice. What kind of cow is this? Let's have a look. It has the name written right below. It is a Frisian cow. So this one could be a Frisian cow as well. But there is one where it's written as a Holstein cow. So not too sure. And here we have a Border Collie. They're very intelligent. They are actually ranked the most intelligent dogs out there. And here we have another nanny goat. Another pig. This is known as a Hungarian pig. Okay, what about this one? Wow, this one is beautiful. What is this? Let's have a look. Probably a Guernsey cow. It doesn't have the name below, but it does look a little bit like the previous Guernsey cow. A little bit, not exactly like the same. And here we have a Great Dane. They are very tall dogs. A chicken. Nice. Another sheep. And here we have a donkey. I love donkeys. They are so cute. And a black sheep. Nice. Black sheep. What is this? This is known as an Irish red setter. Adorable. This is a Frisian cow or a Holstein cow. I can't really tell the difference. And a Persian cat. This is a Dalmatian puppy. And this is known as a Hereford cow. What about the next one? We have a rabbit, a collie puppy, very cute. And this is known as a beagle. It's a very nice beagle figure. It looks very realistic. And a gray tabby cat. Oh, this is a Hereford calf. A baby Hereford cow. That is so cute. And there's my Hereford cow right over here. Yeah, just check out. It's so adorable. Another sheep. We have a Minx cat, if I'm not wrong. That is a Minx cat. And this is a calico cat. Let's see, a pretty short hair. And a squirrel. Nice. Holding on to a nut. Another pig. So as we got have a golden retriever right here. They're very intelligent, they're very friendly and gentle. And here we have a rooster. A small little piglet. So cute. It's got to be the cutest one in our collection. And this is a San Bernard dog. They're very intelligent and brave. Some of them are trained to rescue people. Here's a Holstein cow. So it actually does look very similar to the Frisian cow. What is this? Let's have a look. It is known as the Bernese Mountain Dog. Brave dogs. And not a sheep. Americana chicken. Nice. And here we have a duck. A collie. This is a dachshund. Another bulldog, I think. French bulldog. Yes, so right now we have like two of them. This one is really cute. Yeah, I like this one a lot. And here we have, I think this is a goose. And a boxer right here. We have an orange cat. Female pig. Cow. This is an Australian cat dog. Very smart and intelligent. Pygmy goat. Let's see. Pygmy nanny goat. Another very beautiful cat figure. It's from Schleich, and you can see it is so nicely detailed. I like this a lot. Another rabbit, another hare. Shiba Inu. It's a puppy, I think. And we have a baby cow, a calf. And a baby horse. I don't think this is a pony. It could be a pony. Or it could be, you know, just a foal. Another British short hair. This is a Dalmatian. So historically, Dalmatians were actually used to pull carriages alongside horses. And this is a pot-bellied pig. A Cocker Spaniel. Nice. Very cute. Another Golden Retriever. Seems to be a very young one. The face looks so cute. Here's another one. A Bulldog. Sheep. Here's another goat. I think this is a billy goat. Yes, it is a billy goat. shepherd. A rabbit. Here we have another chicken. A donkey. We've got 2 donkey foals. Very cute. And I think this is a boxer. A boxer. Wow, this one is really cute. It's a Doberman Pinscher puppy. Very young Doberman. Another Shiba Inu. Cat. A goat. A nanny goat. This is an alpaca. German Shepherd puppy. Moving on, we have a gander right here. Nice. And here we have another chicken. This one, let's see, a cockerel. This is a very new chicken added to our collection. It's just known as a hen. Nice. And this is a duck. A Jack Russell. This is one of the furry chicken. They're so adorable. Here's another one. And here we have a Staffordshire Terrier. This is a Shih Tzu. Super cute and adorable. And another dog. Here we have another cat. Our Siamese cat. Chicks right here. Another Jack Russell Terrier. I think this might be a puppy. It looks so young. And this is a Phoenix rooster. Beautiful long feathers. Another Siamese cat. A sheep. A schnauzer. Another furry chicken. So adorable. A rabbit. The rabbit seems to be holding on to its face. That's so cute. A hen and 3 little chicks. Nice. And I'm not sure what this is known as. It's a kind of terrier. Last 2 figure. Oh, this is really cute. This is a Burmese mountain. It's a Rottweiler puppy. Doesn't really look like a Rottweiler. Here's a duck. A white duck. And our last one is another cockerel. That is all. Oh, there's still 2 more. A small little poodle puppy and a small little piglet. Thanks for watching this, okay? I will see you in the next video.